Hi guys, so I'm going to be unboxing. I ordered this from Temu. I can't remember what I really ordered, but I'll soon find out. You know, sometimes Temu was made for us impulse buyers. We just buy things because we're just bored. You're just sitting there and you just think, let me order something. So there's something I've ordered here. Okay, let's find out what it is. What it is. Oops. Purchase. What is it? All right. Is the food warmer? Is it? I think so. Let me just take all of it out. That. Well, I like it. I do. It's beautiful. I like it. What's that? It's quite nice. I like the way it is. So the only way I can check if it's really working is to put some food and try it. So basically I need to cook something and then check after 45 minutes or after an hour if the temperature is still okay, if the food is still warm. Then I'll give you feedback, guys. But otherwise, it's beautiful. It is pretty. I like it. It's amazing. Let's see if I can put it together. What's that? I think it's the other way. This way. That way. It is. I hope it's going to serve the purpose, guys. Thanks for watching.